Reward yourself by staying until the end of this video, because you'll get a complete review. Head,
cabeza,
face,
cara,
or
rostro,
neck,
cuello,
shoulders,
hombros,
chest,
pecho,
breasts,
senos,
stomach,
estómago,
back,
espalda,
arm,
brazo,
elbow,
codo,
forearm,
antebrazo,
wrist,
muñeca,
hand,
mano,
fingers,
dedos de la mano,
waist,
cintura,
hip,
cadera,
buttocks,
nalgas,
legs,
piernas,
thigh,
muslo,
knees,
rodillas,
shin,
canilla,
calf,
pantorrilla,
ankle,
tobillo,
feet,
pies,
toes.
dedos de los pies,
Let's review.
cabeza, cara, rostro, cuello, hombros, pecho, senos, estómago, espalda, brazo, codo, antebrazo, muñeca, mano, dedos de la mano, cintura, cadera, nalgas, piernas, muslo, rodillas, canilla, pantorrilla, tobillo, pies, dedos de los pies.
Motivate us to give you more free videos by clicking the like button and subscribing right now, because you'll make us feel that our efforts are appreciated. See the description below this video for more details.